We are seeing a growing number of huge ultra-wide monitors reaching the market these days, and apparently Samsung has another model waiting in the wings. As TFT Central reports, this new monitor, which Samsung is supposed to start manufacturing in September, is largely based on the Samsung CHG90, the giant ultra-wide 32:9 aspect ratio screen that we reviewed very positively last October. The main step forward with this new offer is the aforementioned resolution of 5120 x 1440 pixels. That's a major update to the CHG90, which ran at a resolution of 3840 x 1080 just like the Samsung C49J89, another 49-inch model that we will have an imminent review for you, so be aware of that. Apart from the price, which will always be a problem with this type of monitors, that resolution was the main disadvantage of the CHG90, since having a giant and long screen, which maintains the same vertical resolution as a standard Full HD screen, can do things for me. I feel a little tight, so to speak. And the total pixel density, or level of detail, of the CHG90 was really the same as that of a Full HD monitor, so it's particularly exciting to see that this new offer includes handles up to 5120 x 1440.